What's going on, cylinder junkies? Today we are installing the end splitter on the Kia Forte GT, and I've got my lovely co-host here. Anyways, as you guys can see, we got the splitter right here, the chin splitter. We were kind of skeptical because we bought it on eBay. Well, this woman right here bought it on eBay. Pick up the things and show them what you got. Come on, do your little thing.
All right, I got these attached to it because it's the main reason I bought the chin splitter. I thought it would make this and this pop, so my car looks stock as fuck and I hate it. And I decided to go with basic black because I want it to blend with the black that's already on here. Instead of carbon fiber, because carbon fiber is for losers.
That's not.
Really the
She
simplest thing.
She just won't admit that she's still learning.
This is literally a kindergartner could do this.
She's still learning.
A kindergartner could do this. This doesn't even need instructions. All you have to do is like basic counting.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
All right, so we did manage to get it on this next day because by the time we got done, the sun had went down. We ran into some complications for the most part with the hardware that was given. Was not the best at all. But I think for the price that she paid, it turned out pretty well. The stuff that bolts onto the bumper is actually made pretty well. Screws, if you do get this chin splitter 100%, it's gonna take some fondling to make sure that it gets even. It's probably about a 3-person job, because you've got to have somebody standing and eyeing it. You've got to have somebody drilling, and it's very, very time consuming. It looks like it's one of those jobs where you think it's a 30-minute job and it turns out to be a 4 or 5 hour job. I would also highly recommend pre-drilling the holes before you drill the hardware in, but overall we got it done. Other than that, now it's time to reveal how it looks. Check it out. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. I hope you guys liked it. Next time, I think I'm going to be going into a little bit more detail as we're doing things. Let me know if you guys think we should. But yeah, I don't want it to be a tutorial thing, more so of the build as we're building it. So until next time, cylinder junkies, be safe.